In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Claude Sonnet API key in just a few minutes. Whether you're a developer looking to integrate powerful AI into your applications or just getting started, this simple step-by-step guide will get you there. Let's dive in. First, navigate to the Open Router platform. In your browser's address bar, type openrouter.ai. We're using OpenRouter as it provides a convenient unified access point to many different AI models, including the latest from Anthropic. You are now on the OpenRouter homepage. This platform acts as a gateway to numerous LLMs, allowing you to switch between models easily. You can see options for models, chat, and docs in the top navigation. Our goal is to find the Claude Sonnet model. Next, locate the model by clicking the central search bar. A command palette will appear. In this field, begin typing Claude Sonnet. The system will dynamically filter the results to match your query, showing related models. From the search results, you'll see several versions. To ensure you're always using the most up-to-date version, it's best to select Anthropic Claude Sonnet Latest. Go ahead and click on it. You've landed on the model's documentation page. This resource contains code snippets, endpoint URLs, and parameter details. To use the API, we first need a key. Find the Get Your API Key section and click the Create API Key button. This redirects you to your personal API Keys dashboard. Here you will manage all your keys, monitor usage, set limits, and create new ones using the New Key button. It's a central hub for securing your access to the platform. Finally, let's navigate back to the documentation. Now that you know where to find your key, you can see how it fits into the code examples. You would copy your key and replace the placeholder to begin making API calls. Review the examples for your preferred language to understand the implementation. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to locate the Claude Sonnet model on OpenRouter and generate the API key needed to start building with it. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.